So, kamusta mo guys? First bit of horror games.
Oh, ma-play it. Wait.
Yes, that's it.
Nice. Ma-record the video.
I hope you feel what I feel when
Yo,
you shatter
yo,
my
Box.
soul.
Yo, Box, look.
Please let me... What? No?
Look.
Sprite pa yun.
Box playing.
Ang muna sa mas pinakalag na server sa ibang.
Yeah, I know.
Dabo, may spray paint dabo.
I'm gonna change my name.
Oh, turn your volume up.
Oh.
Half dapat. Or the...
Oh. Freak.
Now I'm dead. So guys, English muna ako kasi tamad ako mag-Tagalog. Star server? Yep. Ako yan.
I'm gonna change my name.
Nagka-dreaming ako. Yes.
I'm gonna change my name.
Do you have many responsibilities? Yes. Look around for a moment. There. Are you familiar with your surroundings? Yes. Do you know where you are? Yes. No? Have you ever felt there's somebody in your room? Ay, malamang. Yeah, I mean, no, God. Oh, man, dead. Yep. Are you scared of the darkness? Yes. Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Did you think you could lie to us? Did you believe we want to know the truth? Yes.
I'm playing the same game as you.
Oh. A survey speaking on individuals that are honest. Holy.
Just gonna wait.
Don't worry, you still got 3 chances left. Thank you. And I'm scared. From now on, if you keep on lying to us, consequences won't be nice. Nice. I have no fear. So be careful, do you understand? Yep. Are you certain? Yep. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was hard to distinguish it from reality? Ay, malamang. Wait. Oh. Do you have phobias? Yes.
Yeah?
No, phobias. Do you feel it? Nope. The light went out. Would you be scared? Yes.
Wait. I press no.
I will kill you there. Up in the fold. Up. Guys, good luck. Is that true? What do? Oh. True. Did you lie to us? Did you Our survey is speaking on the video. Bro. Yeah, so guys, upload ko si DSDR sa akin. Potik na spam yan.
I'm a spam that. Oh wait, I forgot about the clock. I'm gonna spam the clock. Cause I don't see any question.
Yes. Bro, you don't have any... Oh no.
When it
Bro,
asks,
why don't you have any...
when it asks start service, I press no.
Bro.
I see myself. Wait, what? I'm just gonna die. I cannot die. Just cannot die. I renamed myself.
Wow, astig name ba?
No, I renamed myself. Why does it lag? I followed you guys. I typed my name, baby this eh.
Oh, wait! Oh, wala pa change ba?
What it doesn't load on my normal screen? Just gonna. Wait, can I look at my gallery? Oh my god, I shouldn't look at the gallery. Wait, hold up. Wait, did it say are you streaming? Yes, of course. I'm gonna get shot.
So, guys, I really wanna live.
Oh, I'm smashing my phone right now.
No, I'm not relaxed.
Are you feeling relaxed? Oh yeah, of course.
Did you cry yesterday? Let me think, because I kind of forgot.
No. No, you didn't cry yesterday.
Okay. Kaya ako
No, you didn't cry yesterday. But you press yes. What? No, I'm sick.
Yep, I'm getting banned. I'm getting kicked in the server. Yep, I'm getting kicked in the server. One last chance or zero chance?
Easy myself.
Don't worry, still go. Oh, I'm dead, guys. I'm dead.
Are you familiar with your surroundings now? Just gonna let that too. Stop.
Yep. Have you ever felt like someone was watching? Oh yes, again on it. Yazar. Go. Why did you put no? Why did you put no?
I don't know.
Do you know who you are yet?
Yes.
No. Have you ever heard of strange or message?
Dang. Don't worry, you still have 3. From now on, keep lying to us. Okay.
I'm a
Careful.
Yep, I clutch it.
Yes, please.
Do you see that thing?
What?
Thing?
Where?
That one?
Oh.
I clutched.
What the hell is this? How to read this? I don't know how to read.
Are you certain? So guys, I clutched that. Good thing if I didn't clutch it, I'm dead.
I am having a fucking.
So guys, I'm gonna end this and I'm tired of talking.
Have you ever had a dream